What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record a video call on Google Meet on your laptop. So first off, head over to Google Meet and then just simply click on new meeting. I am starting an instant meeting for now. Now, on your extensions button, you can see this button. This is the extensions button. You can manage extensions from here or just simply right click on the left click, or you can either right click or just simply click on the three dots on your Chrome browser and just hover to extensions and then click on visit web store. Now here, search for awesome video recorder. As you can see, this is the extension. This is already been installed in my extensions. As you can see, I have already installed this. By using this, you can screen record your meetings, or the another way is just click on this Windows options and type in snipping tool. After clicking, you can see this option of recording and then just press the Windows logo key and Shift plus R. So you will be able to start the recording, and make sure to drag the screen that you want to record. So this option is for inbuilt Microsoft application, and the another one is the Chrome extension. So whichever you like, you can use it for your screen recording. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.